Hello guys, welcome to the 49th session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will continue with the previous session using Text Analysis API obtain key phrases and sentiment. Let us start with the key phrase. Copy this method, change name and use key phrase async method. This method takes multi-language batch input as a parameter instead of batch input. So change it. It will take a list of multi-language input. Here we can pass text of multiple languages. So we need to specify which language is used in the text. Obtain key phrases from the document. If found, then return it with comma separated. Otherwise return not found any key phrases. And make call to this method from a dialog. Save all files and run it. Create a new conversation. Here I am using some quotes. Let us try these. We got drug and smile. And for this, we got smart person and wrong room. Now I am going to obtain sentiment. Let us copy this method. Change name. To obtain sentiment, we need to use sentiment async method. Obtain score from it. The score is the type of double which represents sentiment. And return that score for text is score in bold text. Let us update dialog. Save all the files and run it. Create a new conversation. Here I am writing some text related to reviews of any hotel. Let us try with room services needs to improve. Here we got 0.21 sentiment means it's about to negative. Let us send room service is great. Here we got 0.91 means it's positive. And let us try room service is very bad. Here we got 0.05 which means it's negative. Let us see what we have learned in this session. Here is a method to retrieve key phrase. We have used key phrase async method and retrieve key phrases from key phrases property. And here is a method for retrieving sentiment. We used sentiment async method and obtained score. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.